Ever since I showed my desk setup a few videos ago, I've been on the lookout for desktop speakers that would go well with my MacBook and the rest of my workstation. I was looking for something discreet and elegant, not too bulky, but capable of delivering good audio quality. I wanted speakers that would not only let me enjoy my music, but would also be useful for video editing work and relaxing with some gaming. This time, I was lucky enough to try out a set of speakers from Edifier, which they kindly gifted to me. I have to say, they meet exactly the characteristics I was looking for, especially in a budget-friendly price range, making them accessible to anyone looking for a solid quality to price ratio. So in this video, I'll be showing you the sound quality of these speakers with a sound test, their main features, and my first impressions on how they fit into my setup. Let's start by unboxing them to see how they arrive at your door and everything you'll find inside. Opening the box, we've got an instruction manual, which I'll probably never read, and all the necessary cables to connect the speakers to various devices like a PC, TV, game consoles, or even using Bluetooth to connect via your phone. There's also a cable to link the two speakers together, an optical cable for digital signal, a stereo RCA audio cable, an RCA to jack cable, and a small remote control for distance adjustments, complete with a battery. Finally, here's the pair of speakers themselves, one for the left and one for the right, ready to be placed on the desk. I have to say, they're not exactly light, likely because they're not made of simple plastic but real wood, with all the finishes in classic wood grain. This is a detail I really appreciate, as it matches nicely with my setup. In fact, the main theme I chose for my workstation is based on dark wood. My desk is walnut, with visible dark grain. Even the wall panels and decorative elements are wood, and the shelf where I store all my tech gear was purposely chosen in dark wood. And when it comes to speakers, any audio enthusiast knows that wood is one of the best materials you can have for speakers. In addition to this, at the base of the speakers, there are 4 support pads that help prevent scratching the desk surface, an essential feature, in my opinion. On the front, there's a removable grill that, with just a simple press, can be taken off, letting you appreciate the look of the speakers themselves. They're two-way speakers with a tweeter dedicated to high frequencies and a woofer for mids and lows. I find them quite aesthetically pleasing, although I might have preferred them to be slightly smaller for my personal taste. As for the color, I went with the black finish to keep them subtle, but there's also a wood finish option available, perfect for those who prefer a more classic look. Furthermore, the primary speaker includes a control panel, which gives you the ability to adjust treble and bass levels or simply control the volume through the practical built-in knobs. This setup allows you to customize the sound to your preference while still maintaining good audio quality. Moving on to the connectivity options, I have to say I was pleasantly surprised by the multiple choices available. There's a connector to link the two speakers together, 2 RCA input lines to connect up to 2 devices at the same time, a coaxial connection, and an optical fiber input. Additionally, there's even the option to connect an external subwoofer, unfortunately not included, though perhaps that would be asking a bit much at this price point. Personally, I connected my MacBook to line 1 using an RCA to jack cable, which delivers a clean and direct sound from the computer, ensuring high audio quality without any signal loss. The sound quality is actually pretty good. Nothing mind-blowing, but it performs really well for music listening at normal volumes. When cranked up to higher volumes, the sound is still clear, though it might feel slightly less engaging for those who prefer higher power. However, for desk use, which is what these speakers are designed for, I have to admit they do their job very well, delivering a detailed sound and clear tonal quality in dialogue, making video or gaming experiences more immersive. Finally, thanks to the included remote control, you can manage the speakers from a distance and conveniently switch to Bluetooth mode to play music directly from your phone. There's even a small LED indicator that can be seen through the front grille, which lets you see which input source you're using at any given moment. Until now, I'd mainly been using AirPods or the built-in speakers on my monitor to listen to audio, and I can tell you the difference is huge. So now, let me play something so you can hear the difference and get a sense of how they actually sound. keep in mind I'm recording this audio through my phone, so you probably won't catch the full quality, but you'll still get an idea. You might notice the bass isn't super deep. That's why pairing them with a subwoofer could be a good idea, and who knows, maybe I'll add that upgrade later on. If you're wondering about the price, these speakers are currently listed on the official site for about $160. I think it's a pretty fair price for the sound quality, the wooden build, and the overall aesthetic that really adds to the audio experience. Let me know what you think. And that's it. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more tech updates. See you next time.
I'm about to go off like a weapon, fuel to the top, got a filled up engine.